hurted us, but I just reminded the boys that do not take the shine of the first two games, how well we've gone about our businesses.
जिम्बाब्वे का टॉस जीतकर बैटिंग का फैसला सामने आया है। श्रीलंका और जिम्बाब्वे के दरमियान 6 मुल्क की सीरीज़ का ये मैच है जिसमें जिम्बाब्वे की जानिब से टॉस जीतकर बैटिंग का फैसला किया गया है।
We got Dion Myers coming in for Tony Manyunga.
All right then, Sikandar, have a good one.
Thank you, Rish. Thank you.
Dasan, you're bowling first, so how does that go according to your game plan?
See, if I won the toss, I could have anyway bowled first. So we're playing with 7 batsmen today. So yeah.
In terms of your the way the tournament has gone, it hasn't really been proper for you in all 3 departments. What are the particular areas you're looking to brush up in a must-win game today for you?
Of course, all 3 areas, as Rasa mentioned. So it looks like a normal Pindi wicket. So it must be high scoring. So and we know the mistakes we done throughout the tournament. So hopefully we'll go a good game tonight.
And what's the 11 for then tonight?
2 changes: Viyaskant out and Kamidu out. Pawan Ratnayaka making his debut and Mahesh Theekshana back.
All right then, Dasan, have a good one.
Thank you.
Right then, the news from the centre is that Zimbabwe have won the toss and will have a bat first.
6 मुल्क की सीरीज़ के अहम मैच में जिम्बाब्वे ने श्रीलंका के खिलाफ टॉस जीतकर बैटिंग का फैसला किया है।